Hey everyone, so in this video I'm going to show you how you can find merch by Amazon design ideas using this amazing new tool called Merch Informer that I've just started using. It's a great way for you to find the best selling designs currently on Amazon merch and use those designs as inspiration for your own designs. So let's jump right in and I'll show you exactly how this works. So you're going to come into Merch Informer. It's a free tool. You can use it for free for 3 days. Check out the link in my description box below to get that free day trial. And what you're going to do, once you're inside Merch Informer, you're going to come to the Merch Hunter section of Merch Informer. And what this is basically going to do is it's going to allow us to find the top 100 best-selling shirts on Amazon merch right now, the top 200, top 300, 500, 1000. We can do a blanket search and it's going to come back with the best-selling shirts on Amazon merch and it's going to list them in order from best to worst selling. So let's just do a blanket search. We want the top 100 shirts and we're going to press search now and it'll come back with those top 100 shirts that are currently best-selling on Amazon merch today. Cool, so that search is done. What we're going to do is we're going to scroll down past all of this information, which is useful, but we don't need it for this video, and we're going to go down to the results. So we can see here the top selling shirt on Amazon merch right now is this Shane Dawson Oh My God Pig t-shirt by Shane Dawson. And it breaks down information for these shirts. So we can see that this shirt is selling around 1,350 shirts every month. And you know, these shirts only cost, I think, around $13 for Amazon to make and ship for you. So Shane Dawson's making around $7 for each shirt he's selling on this website. So times $7 by 1,350, he's making a lot of money on Amazon each month. And we can go down here and we see the second best-selling shirt on Amazon, the third best-selling shirt, this is selling 900 shirts a month, the fourth. So we can really easily see, really simply displayed, the best-selling shirts on Amazon merch. And basically what we can do is we can use these designs to get design ideas from shirts that we could make that are potentially going to sell equally as well as these shirts. You know, so we can see here there's a lot of high-selling Irish shirts at the moment. St. Patrick's Day is coming up. So that could spark some design inspiration and say to us, hey, you know, St. Patrick's Day shirts are selling around 700, 1,000 shirts a month. I'm going to make a St. Patrick's Day shirt, get it on Amazon merch, and that, you know, increases your likelihood of making sales on Amazon merch. So this tool is amazing for showing you the best-selling shirts on Amazon merch right now and using those ideas for design inspiration. It shows you the best seller rank for each shirt, and this is basically a number that Amazon uses to rank every item on its website from best selling to worst selling. So the rule of thumb is the lowest best selling rank number on Amazon, the better it's selling. So if a best selling rank was 1, for example, for a shirt, that is the best selling shirt on all of Amazon. And if the best seller rank was 100,000 for a shirt, it's the 100,000th best selling shirt on Amazon. So the lower the number, the better selling that shirt is. So you want to find shirts with the lowest number possible. And what Merch Informer does is it ranks it from the lowest bestseller rank to the highest. So we can see the best selling shirts right at the top and it goes down to the lowest. And the general rule of thumb is a bestseller rank of 100,000 sells on average about a shirt a day. And what we can do is, once we found some inspiration, so there's some Black Panther shirts selling, but let's go back up to those St. Patrick's Day shirts. Once we found some inspiration, we can actually add these shirts to our favorites. You know, and when we're going through generating ideas, finding inspiration, we can just quickly add these to our favorites, and we go up here and press add to favorites. And then later on, once we've done all our research, we can go into our favourite section in Merch Informer and we can see all the shirts that we've saved for inspiration. So I'm just going to click on the favourites category here and it's going to show me all the shirts that I've saved in the past that I'm going to use for inspiration for the designs that I'm going to make in the future. So this tool is really powerful. It's called Merch Informer. I've started using it this week. I love it, so I want to tell everyone else about it. It's a free-day trial. Use the link in the description to this video and you'll get through to this website and get your 3-day trial. And yeah, pretty much I'm loving it. It's $9.99 a month and I'm going to start using it from here on out. I'm pretty sure that I'm going to increase my chances of success with Amazon merch using this tool. So thanks for watching this video, guys. It's a quick one just on how you can get merch by Amazon design ideas. It's a way that I found is really easy to generate ideas and save these things to your favorite. So make sure to check out the tool. It's free for 3 days anyway, so what's the harm? And also make sure to subscribe to this channel, starting up, for more Amazon merch videos and more making money online videos in general. Thanks for watching. There's videos every Monday and Thursday, and I'll see you very soon.